We all know used cars sell more quickly when they're free of damage. Revive have been helping dealerships sell cars and provide a great after-sales service for over 20 years. We provide a cosmetic repair service that's tailored to meet your specific needs and are proud to already work with some of the largest dealer groups in the UK. We can provide weekly used car prep as a priority service or arrange an ad hoc visit dependent on volume. Our supportive head office team can also organise home visits locally or nationally and can usually book in a national repair visit within 48 hours. All work will be detailed in a monthly management report to give you a breakdown of the types of repairs we carry out and how much it costs. We also have a range of solutions to support your existing services, such as a body shop or service department, which will create added peace of mind for your customers and an additional income source for your dealership. Revive have the largest network of accredited mobile technicians, and our 5-star Trustpilot rating demonstrates our commitment to providing technical excellence and outstanding customer service to all our customers. For more information, visit our website or contact a member of our team now.